Well, good afternoon, all you gamers. Yes, I am here. I'm probably the oldest gamer in the world. I got a couple questions for you. Should I build my own gaming PC or should I just buy it at Amazon, Walmart, or Best Buy? Because I am going to be a new gamer when it comes to PC. I need to know what kind of components I need to build if I'm going to build me a PC. So, any suggestions? Put it down there on the video. I want to have a fast computer, basically a DDR5 memory, probably a Intel processor, probably a combination processor, motherboard, uh, motherboard combination, and probably two SSD hard drives, and a backup regular hard drive. So, any suggestions, please put it down here on the video. And by the way, this is a very special video dedicated to my Xbox son Matthew and his girlfriend Samantha. So, any suggestions, please put it down there on the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do that. I really appreciate it. I'm ready to play some gaming on my brand new gaming PC. I'll see you guys out there. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel.